Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? Feeling good? Okay, welcome to our lesson, part 1. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the changes can happen to a matter. What changes can happen to a matter? Our example for today will be water. Water is a matter. So, what changes can happen to water? Can you change water to something else? Yes, I can change water to water vapor, or I can make this liquid water ice cubes. Is that right? Yes, this is right. So, let's make a small experiment. I want you to make sure of what I'm going to say today. So, first you have to ask your parent permission and then bring 2 cups of water, just like these. First cup, please ask your mom to boil it. So you will add heat to it. Add heat. If you are adding heat to this one and boiling this one, tell me what are you going to see. And then to this cup, please take away the heat from it. How you are going to take away the heat from it, you are going to put it in the freezer, all right? Now I'm going to tell you what is going to happen, and you can make sure of what I'm saying by doing this experiment. But please, girls and boys, you have to ask your parent permission first. Now, over here, if you are adding heat, you are going to make it even hotter. Yes, you are going to make it hot. But if you are taking away the heat, you are going to make it cold. And if you are going to make it cold, you are definitely going to have an ice over here instead of liquid water. But if you are adding heat, you are making it hot. What you will get? Yes, you are going to get a water vapor. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So let's write it down to make it clear, all right? Number 1, if you have a liquid water, and you are adding, look, I'm gonna write it with the red color so you don't remember. Sorry, don't forget. So, liquid water plus adding heat. What are you going to get? You are going to get water vapor. Water vapor. Okay, what do I call this process? What do you think? If it's water vapor, from the word vapor, I'm gonna call this process evaporation. So, when I ask you, what is evaporation? Evaporation is when you boil some water and you give the liquid water some heat. It gives you water vapor. So, water vapor, this process we call it evaporation. Yes, evaporation. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you the other step, how other changes can happen to water. Now, please, my girls and boys, open the book with me to page, let's see which page. All right, to page 366. 366. All right, zoom in. Yeah. Ooh, deep freeze. What are you talking about, miss? Let's see. Over here. Let me remind you of something, boys and girls. If you are reading something, definitely the main idea is the most important idea About what? About something. So, what I want you to do, draw 2 lines under the main idea of this page, all right? Now, taking away or adding heat can change water. Think about making ice. Put water in the freezer. The water freezes into solid ice. Take the ice out of the freezer. It melts into a liquid. Yes. Freezing changes some properties of water. Ice has its own shape, but liquid water does not. So freezing makes water expand, so ice takes up more space than water. When you guys put the water inside the freezer, you can mark the cup so you can see the size of the cup later after you take it out from the freezer. See how water expand and take more space, all right? So now, did you find the main idea? The most important idea about something here? Yes, it's the first 2 lines. So, taking away, all right, I'm gonna choose red color. Yes, so taking away, over here, please. Oh, taking away or adding heat can change water. Yes. What is happening over here? All right, taking away or adding heat can change water. Think about ice and you will know more about it. Now, on the second page, write the name of something that melts. Tell me about something that can melt. I think of an ice pop. What do you think of? Look at this, at this ice pop. This ice pop gets warm and melts into a liquid. Can you tell me of other example? Excellent, ice cream. Ice cream can melt and turn to liquid. What else? Yes, there's a lot. Now, if I told you, now let's do this. Let's do the math. Circle the answer. Ice cream has a lot of water in it. It melts faster when air temperature is higher. Of course, when you add heat, when you make the temperature more higher, the cold stuff will melt. Just like ice cream, when you take away the ice cream out of the freezer and go out, it must melt if you didn't eat it fast because outside the freezer it has higher temperature. So, at which temperature will ice cream melt faster? If it's 75 Fahrenheit or 47. If I need greater temperature to melt, so it definitely will be the greater number. So, which greater number is 75 or 45? Yes, 75. Excellent. Is it 50 Fahrenheit or 85? Yes, 85. Thank you, boys and girls. This is it for today. See you tomorrow.